Hey guys, on this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about identity theft protection and monitoring and protecting your personal credit. There's three major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And if you wanted to go to each of those bureaus and monitor and protect your credit, it's quite cumbersome and it can get pretty expensive. So there are different websites where you can purchase your credit report and have access to it. There's also free resources like Credit Karma. The problem with that is that they only show you Equifax and TransUnion. They don't include Experian, which is a very important bureau. And it's the Vantage credit model score. So the Vantage model is not the same as the FICO model. The FICO model is what most banks and lenders look at. And so that's why I recommend mySCOREIQ. mySCOREIQ is going to give you a three bureau tri-merge FICO A credit report, not just the credit scores, but the detailed credit history, and you can get a new report every single month. And on top of that, for identity theft protection, they give you up to $1 million of identity theft insurance. So if something happens, if there's fraud or somebody uses your identity, gets a hold of your credit cards, you have protection. And dude, and guys, in this day and time, it is very important that you have this type of protection in place for you and your family. Their product also includes some additional bonuses that are incredible. So let's just take a closer look. And I'm going to provide you with a link for a dollar trials for 7 days. The monthly subscription is about $35. But with the link I'm going to provide you, you can get a trial for 7 days for just $1. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. I'm also going to offer you for an assessment where on a one-on-one, I can coach you through your credit. I can give you some tips and suggestions on how to strengthen and build your credit. And if you'd like to pursue me with additional support and coaching, we can talk about ongoing coaching and mentorship. And that can be on your personal credit as well as your business credit. If you're a business owner, if you're starting a business or you have an existing business, then of course I can help you to do that. And mySCOREIQ does give you access to your business credit scores, but with my support, I'll also help you to build out your Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax business credit profile. And if you want to get access to funding to either start or grow your business, then I can help you with that with SBA 7A loans, equipment financing, asset-based lending, term loans, and lines of credit, 0% credit card funding. So there's a lot of funding solutions that are available for you. But the first step is to verify your credit, make sure you're qualified, you're in the right position to qualify. Ultimately, at the end of the road, I want to help you set up your business banking system and put yourself in a position where you'll never have to borrow from the banks ever again. But you got to start somewhere. And so this is step one. Let's look at your credit. Let's verify it. Let's make sure you're protected and secure. And let's take a closer look at mySCOREIQ. So this is mySCOREIQ's homepage right now. And you're going to see that they are a very strong company. They are probably the biggest credit monitoring protection agency available on the market today. And they provide you identity theft protection. You're going to have access to your three bureau FICO A credit report with the detailed history, as I mentioned, credit monitoring, identity theft monitoring, fraud restoration, $1 million in identity theft insurance. That even covers the cost of lawyers and experts, coverage for personal expenses and compensation. And there's a FICO score simulator. So that means if you're trying to make improvements on your credit, maybe you're going to pay down some balances on some credit cards and you want to know what's my credit going to look like, you can simulate what the future of your credit will look like by making these changes. So it really helps you to understand where you are and where you can go with your credit. And again, the key is before you go apply for that car loan or that credit card or that business loan, you want to know what the banks and lenders are going to see. And this is going to give you just that. You're going to get a detailed, closer look at exactly what the banks and lenders will see. So you can enter into that application knowing exactly what your credit looks like and exactly where you stand. And hey, look, maybe you didn't realize that there was a discrepancy or some issue on your credit that you needed to fix or correct. So now you can correct that or fix it before you go and apply for that credit card or for that loan, for that mortgage, for that car, whatever it may be. So it's very important, guys. Take control of the process. Don't put the control in the vendor or the creditor that you're looking at to purchase that product, whatever it may be, because then a lot of times they put a bunch of inquiries on your credit and it's unnecessary. So you can go into a transaction knowing exactly what your credit looks like, and you know exactly what you can qualify for because you know that your credit is in tip-top condition. And if there was an issue, you can improve that before you go ahead. So yeah, there's different plans here. The max plan is, like I said, about $35 a month. That gives you access to your three bureau credit report and your dark web and internet monitoring, $1 million in stolen funds reimbursement. All that's included. Then there's the pro plan, which is $24 a month. And the difference is that the Pro plan lets you pull your credit report every 180 days, where the Max plan lets you pull it every 30 days. So definitely the Max plan is the way to go, guys. $35 a month. You have full protection for yourself and for your family, access to your credit reports. So that's what I do, and that's what I recommend you do. When you click the link in the description to get access to mySCOREIQ, as you saw, it's $35 a month, but the link I'm going to give you is going to give you a dollar trial for 7 days. You're not going to find this link on their website. This is an affiliate relationship I have with them. You can only get access to that by clicking the link in my description to get this dollar trial. And again, if you don't want to keep it, you have 7 days to cancel it, and you just give them a quick call to cancel it. All right. So that's that. Now, if you do want to have me support you in your assessment and coaching, you're going to need to fill out my authorization form. So after you create your mySCOREIQ account, you're going to come to my website, and I'm going to have the link in the description below. And this just gives me authorization to log into your account, provide me with your username and password. And this is just going to allow me to assess your credit for you, so we can get on a one-on-one coaching call. You'll schedule that call right here. And the first call, the first time, it's going to be free. We're just going to have a conversation, and I'm going to basically go over what my options are for you to work with me. And if you do want to move forward and take the next step, then you'll have that opportunity to do that. But just getting it set up and scheduling that initial call is free. So definitely take advantage of it if you just want to speak to learn more. But before you schedule, make sure that you've taken advantage of that dollar trial, you set up the account. And again, strongly urge you to consider keeping it for your identity theft and your family's protection. All right, guys. With that said, I hope this video was of value to you. If it was, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Let YouTube know that this was helpful information. Let somebody know that'll let somebody know about this YouTube channel and about this information that I'm sharing. Thanks for watching. Take great care. God bless.